Hey everyone, and welcome to this very exciting complete demo of auto posting. I'm extremely excited to walk you through the entire platform. But before that, I want to congratulate you for taking an incredible decision of using auto posting and deciding to use auto posting for your personal branding journey, for your content discovery journey. I'm pretty sure this will save you hours and hours of your time every single week, day in, day out. So let's get started in terms of how to get started with auto posting. So as soon as you sign up to the platform, you will be greeted with this particular dashboard. And once you have connected with your LinkedIn, you would see this. Right away over here, you will see something very interesting that you can add as many LinkedIn accounts as you want, depending upon the plan that you have purchased, which means it becomes very easy for you to manage and multi-manage multiple LinkedIn accounts. This means that if you're an agency, brilliant, you can manage all of your clients over here. If you are a startup founder, or if you're an established company who wants to manage your entire team members, you can do that. Your CXOs management, you can turn every single person in your company a content creator or your employee influencer, which is extremely important, right? We'll be walking through all of these strategies probably in the future videos. So also make sure that you subscribe to our channel. So let's get started right away. As soon as you have added all your LinkedIn accounts, what we'll do is we'll first go ahead and start working on our content discovery feature. So to do that, just click on this, and here you will be seeing this, right? Select your topics, and once you've selected your topic, you will be seeing this particular screen. Once you have done that, just click on content discovery and just wait for a few seconds. Our agentic AI starts working over here. It's going to scan through the entire web, analyze all the content, and then understand which one is trending, which means which is a topic most people are talking about, which is very important because if there are hundreds of topics, you don't want hundreds of topics, right? We'll probably trim it down to maybe 10 topics, 12 topics, whatever is trending the most. So as you can see, within a matter of about 10-15 seconds, now we have discovered about 17 stories for you. And these are latest stories that are really trending, right? So for example, AI's impact on workplace inequality. uh, this is one topic that's trending right now. Then AI model lags behind humans in terms of understanding social interactions. Then AI agents transitioning from co-pilots to autopilots in various industries. Then UNCTAD reports predicts that AI automation may displace 40% of workflows. Actually, a great topic to talk about because it can create some controversies, and generally controversial content gets great engagement on social media. Again, I'm going to be talking more about those strategies in the future video. But meanwhile, as you can see, all the contents and discovery was done. Now, if you were to do this manually, you wouldn't even know where to begin with. You're probably going to follow like bunch of creators, bunch of other people, news outlets, a lot of things to figure out what to really even write about. We take care of that for you. 10-15 seconds is all it took. So this otherwise would probably take you maybe 2 to 3 hours of research, or you might end up hiring a complete separate department or an individual who would just do this task for you, right? So you save a lot of money and time right away, which is our focus, which is our goal with auto posting, to make your content creation across different verticals extremely easy. So as you can see, here are the contents, right, for you. So now you have multiple options. So what we're going to do is now we're going to turn one of these pieces of content into a post, right? Now let's get started. This is how you go and create content out of content discovery. Then I'm going to walk you through content discovery and content creation with other ways and strategies at the same time. But let's get ahead and pick one of the topics. So JP Morgan, this looks pretty interesting, so I'm going to pick this one. As you can see, the content is over here. Now you get to select multiple tones. Which tone do you want to select? One of my favorite tones is engaging. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select engaging as a tone. Now you can also add a brand kit over here. So now how does a brand kit works? So we'll be creating a brand kit very shortly where you can upload and add details about your company, right? So we're going to be doing that and walking you through very shortly. And then you are greeted with multiple of these models, and you will see the credits that it will cost you in terms of costing that. So one credit means one token. So if it's 0.75, that means it's gonna, out of one token, it's gonna consume 0.75 token of that, right? You can pick your model accordingly. So what I'm gonna do is I'm probably gonna select GPT Nano over here. And then this is where a lot of magic happens, where we have these incredibly powerful pre-written formats for you. These are all tested. These templates have gone viral. So we constantly keep on adding. We at least add like 10 to 15 to 20 new templates every single week, right? So you'll always see new templates coming in, right? It's very important because if you just keep writing in the same format again and again and again and again, your users are going to get so used to it that they're going to start ignoring those pieces of content. So what I'm going to do is I'm probably going to select one of these. Let's see. Okay, this looks pretty good, right? So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to select this format and then click on this button, use post format. That's it. And I'm just going to hit the generate button. That's it. Now a lot of agentic work is happening, right? We're going ahead, we're going through the internet, looking more about these information. Once we have gathered all of these information through deep search, now we go ahead and reformat all of these contents in this particular format that you have selected, and we have picked up this, right? So as you can see, right away the content is done. AI option is transforming wealth management and investment banking right away, but it's not just about boosting efficiency or cutting cost. It signals something bigger, right? A fundamental shift. So here you go, the entire content is now created for you. Just in case if you don't like it, if you don't like the model, what you can do is just change the model, right? So what I'm going to do is come over here and probably pick up, let's say, Claude 3.5 Sonnet, or probably I'm going to pick up Claude 3.5 Sonnet. Oh, sorry, 3.7. Instead of that, I'm probably going to pick up 3.7. Sorry, 3.5 in this particular case. I'm going to remove this template and I'm going to, let's go ahead with another template. We have news templates over here. These are pretty small ones. Oh, this one looks pretty good. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead with this particular template. And I am just going to hit the generate button. Now I'm just going to wait for another few seconds. It does the same thing. It does deep research once again, and then once the research is done, it's going to go ahead, use the Claude 3.5 Sonnet this time to rewrite the entire content in that particular format. And as you can see, boom, done, right? 15 seconds it all it took. As you can see, JP Morgan's AI transformation isn't just about tech update. It's revolutionizing how Wall Street Journal serves client. And this is actually a good content, right? Here is what it remarks, right? Formatting is done, everything is done. Now what you can do is you can just hit the publish button over here, or you can even schedule it, right? That's completely up to you. So you can hit the preview button. For an example, you will see this is how it will look like on your LinkedIn. Once that is done, now you have two options. Either you can publish it right away, right? So you can press this button and it's going to publish it right away, or you can just click on the schedule button. So once you click on schedule button, you can schedule the time, date, and it's going to publish your content accordingly, right? So this is how your content creation journey is so very impeccable, easy, right away, makes it so much easy for you, for your entire company. This way you will be able to create a lot of pieces of content for your entire company, right? For every single account out there, all of those can be insanely easily scheduled, right? That is where this opportunity comes in. And just in case if you've added multiple accounts, then what you can do is you can select multiple accounts as well and post and publish across all of those accounts if you want, or just select the accounts that you want, where you want the content to be published. Again, completely up to you. You have different opportunities, you have different options. It's up to you how you want to select it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to hit this edit button. As you can see, you can also edit the content by clicking on it, and if you like it, you can just hit save as draft. Right now what has happened is that you can see all of your posts that has been like drafts or scheduled or published over here. Any post that has been published in the past will show you. And in case if you want to publish it directly as well, you can simply go ahead and click on this edit button once again. You can copy this entire piece of content over here like this. You can directly go on your LinkedIn, You can click on start a post and you can just paste it over here. Done, right? You can quickly reformat it in case if you want to post directly. Again, you have bunch of options, right? Like it's completely up to you how you want to do it. And in case if you don't want these emojis, you can just replace them with dash. I'm just going to quickly replace them with dash. Again, up to you how, what changes you want to do, right? So this entire piece of content is done. If you want to schedule it from LinkedIn directly, you can do that as well. Again, it's completely up to you how you want to plan things, how you want to do things. You are again in complete control, right? I'll go back over here, right? I'm going to click on cross. I'm going to leave it on drafts right now. And once you have scheduled your content, this is where your pieces of content is going to start looking like, right? So for example, if I go ahead and edit this and I'm going to click on schedule, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to select 10th. I'm just going to select 15th of May for now. And I'm just going to select 9 a.m. Right, done. So once this is done, I'm just going to click on the schedule button and there you go. My content is now scheduled. If I go on calendar, as you can see, 15th here is the content schedule. You can delete from the content from here. Again, completely up to you. You'll be able to see and fulfill your entire calendar. We have some exciting features coming in very, very soon. Most likely by next month, you will be seeing that with one click, you'll be able to like create content for your entire calendar. That's something that we are working on right now, but I'm going to be talking about that in the future. Once that is done, let's talk about some other amazing features. Right now, we'll go ahead with the idea generator feature. So now let's say that you want to write something about your industry, but you are not aware of what to write about, right? So for example, what I'm going to do is I'm going to write about um, growing a SaaS company, for example. And if you want to use the latest ideas and news, you can also check on that and just wait. Our Agentic AI is going to go ahead, scrape all the contents, and it's going to get you all the ideas, right? And as you can see, there are some ideas available for you. You can again do the same strategy, just click on this particular button if you want. You can also save these. For example, if I like these two things, here are my ideas that are currently saved at the moment. So that way you have those ideas saved. And if you want to turn any of these content into um, a piece of content as well, just click on this and again select your formats, select your AI model format, and you're done. That is how easy it is to create your piece of content through generate ideas, right? So put in over here, create as many ideas as you want. It's completely up to you. And go pretty crazy, right? Amazing, instant, quick feature, making it very, very simple. Your life is gonna be very simple after using Autoposting.ai. Now, let's go ahead and select and go inside content generator, right? This is where we have 8 options right now. We'll be expanding this in the future as we go ahead. So if you want to start something from scratch, come over here, enter the data over here, or whatever you want to write about, right? You don't need to use ideas, you don't need to use content discovery. If you know what you want to write about, just write over here, select the engaging post and select this format and you're pretty set, right? That's how you do it. Now, if you want to turn any article into this, into a LinkedIn post, you can do that as well. You can pick up any of the articles that you want and just paste over here, right? So for example, I will go ahead and I will probably look for um, TechCrunch. I'm going to go to ChatGPT, for example. And I'm going to select this. I'm going to probably paste it over here. I'm going to again select Claude 3.5. If you want to add any specific instructions, you can add that as well. I'm going to skip on that for now. I'm going to again select trends. Let's select let's see. um, which format. I think let's go ahead with this for the demo purpose. And again, I'm just going to change this to 3.5, and I'm just going to hit the generate button. Again, I'm just going to wait for some time. What it's going to do is it's going to go to that link, scrape all the data, and once the data scraping is done, I'm going to go ahead and it's going to create some kind of, this might take a little longer because again, it's going and scraping the entire data. Our agents are going and scraping the entire data from that particular link, so that it takes a little bit of longer time, but once it's done, it's going to let you know. And as you can see, this is now done. It also lets you know that how much token it has consumed. And there you go, see this, you saw AI content, chatbot hype, ignored it, saw it again, ignored it, then 6 more times, welcome to the most, this we reviewed, this is this milestones, here you go, great piece of content, done. Right, once your content is ready, you can again copy it, edit it, save it as a draft, again another piece of content done. Right, this is how you use our article to scrape feature, article to LinkedIn post feature. Now if you want any book to be converted into a piece of content, you can do that as well. So for example, I'm probably going to write rich dad, poor dad, and again I'm going to select sonnet, 3.5 sonnet. Right, what are the key learnings from the book that you can add your own learnings over here. I'm probably going to skip on it. And once again, let's see, personal experiences, a lesson I'll never forget. Okay, I'm probably going to use this, looks a little more relevant, and I'm just going to hit the generate button, wait, probably sip a cup of coffee or tea, whatever you like, and just going to wait for some more time. There you go, the content is now created. Right, so as you can see, you can do multiple stuffs. It's completely up to you how you want to define what and how, again completely up to you. Right, now we're going to go with the next one, which is again share valuable tips. So you can probably add a topic like sales, again some of the tips that you want, select the format, done. Right, you can write it in that particular fashion as well. Then share your favorite tools. So let's say you write Autoposting.ai itself, why can't you live without it, again the format, done. Right, just write those details and you're pretty set. Share your recent learning, again how to write a high converting cold email, for example, what did you learn and this, and select format, again done. Right, it's very 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 easy. Share your struggle, again we make it extremely easy for you, right, to select things or format your content. You can just pick up any piece of blog, once again over here, add your own instructions to it. Right, and then just select the format and you're all set. This is how easy it is to get going with the content generator. Right, now let's go ahead and talk about some very very amazing special features that we have inside the platform that you should be configuring to make your content even stand out. Right, so go inside your settings. By the way, you can set up your workspace name over here, do whatever you want. Now let's go ahead and create a brand kit. Now what's a brand kit? A brand kit helps you to personalize the content even further for your own brand. Right, so for example, if I create a brand over here and if I write um, Autoposting.ai, um, Autoposting.ai is an agentic AI content discovery and content creation platform. Or I'll probably just Autoposting.ai slash about, and platform, creating contents every day was very challenging, and ChatGPT was still consuming a huge amount of time. This made me focus less on my business and more on content creation, which did not help me with the increase of revenue. So I decided to just build my own tool known as auto posting that does has agentic AI solution to help me save time to discover new trending contents and turn those into trendy content created, right? Here you go. If you want, you can again just press this button to kind of like expand on it further, just in case if you want. If not the case, you can just create and create, right? It's completely up to you. This does take a little bit of time, so again it's completely up to you. As you can see, here you go. Now this has turned into a very elaborative story. In case if you're not able to expand your story, we go a little more in depth. Again, as much information you can provide, it's all better. Now once this is done, you add your brand kit. Now next time when you're creating a piece of content, just do that. Here now you can also manage your own content style, right? You can write, so for example, if I write Udit Goenka, right? Now what I'm going to do is I can manage my own content style over here, right? So I can add my own content. So for example, this, I'm just going to add this, right? So you can add your own style over here if you want. That also kind of like helps you out. And also, if you want to add a certain CTA, right, you can add those CTAs and those contents are gonna get added, right? So for example, I'm going to delete this and I'm going to create a new CTA and I'm going to say that let's see, to take action to comment, what do you think about this content? Let me know about this. Let me know in the comments below. Please see, you can also check out auto posting, which is my agentic AI content discovery and creation solution to help you save time. Okay? And once it's done, I'm gonna select my CTA. Done. Now once this is done, I can just go back to my content discovery. For example, I'm just gonna select one of these contents once again. Let's select this. Right now, this over here, I'll be able to see my brand kit. As you can see over here, I'm gonna come back. I'm once again gonna select Sonnet 3.5 because that's my favorite model, right? I'm gonna select engaging, and I'm just gonna come back over here, news update. Let's see. Okay, I'm just gonna select this for now, and I'm just gonna hit the generate button. That's all. So once this is done, just give it some time, and now it will be able to write things in your format, right? Also, once again, if you want to edit any of these templates, you can again do that. You can remove these. You can add your own writing style as well, which I'm just going to show you in just one moment. So it's still working at the moment, and there you go. The content is now created, and as you can see, there you go. It has now added that CTA. Right, as you can see, you have selected your brand kit and it has added those brand kits over here. Check this out. Right, so it's very important that you smartly add these pieces of content over here that kind of like really help you out, right? So this is how you do it. This is how smartly you do it. Also, I'm going to show you some more tricks. So let's say I don't want this. I'm going to select this. You can come on custom, and then inside custom as well, you can add your own format, right? So let's say that if I go on LinkedIn, just to give you an example, and let's take an example that I like this particular format, right? So I'm gonna go over here, I'm gonna copy this entire format, and I'm gonna come back and I'm just gonna paste it over here. Done. I'm gonna save it, and here you go. Your entire format is ready. Now you can use this particular format over here and just click on this generate button. There you go. Now we're just gonna wait for a few moments. And very shortly it's just gonna create the entire content in this particular format. Again, you can write whatever format you want. Auto posting makes your life easy. It saves you time, it saves you money, it saves you all the hassle, so that you can focus on your business and let this product do what it's good at, right? Okay, done. It's easy, right? This is how you do things. So, and once that is done, you're all set. Here you'll be able to see all your usage in terms of how many tokens you have used so far. If you come on billing, you'll be able to see how many tokens you have utilized so far, how much limit you have left, if you all your invoices over here. And if you want to upgrade, you can select any of the plans. You can upgrade your plans at the same time. You have those options. Again, just switch this, right, and just click on upgrade. Again, making your life very easy. It really depends. The higher plan that you go, the more options that you get, and also at the same time more workspaces that you get as well, so they can manage, right? You can invite your team members at the same time, right? Like, you have a bunch of options available. Just pick what's suitable for you. So this in nutshell is Autoposting.ai. If you have any question, you can just reach out to us over here. Just click over here, or you can just reach out to us on LinkedIn. You can reach out to, you can also join our community. We have our WhatsApp community. You can join that. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, or just click on this and see our change logs in terms of all the updates that are being posted. The documentation, it's there, docs.autoposting.ai. It's all over here, that's available for you. Again, like I said, we make your life very easy, and we're not going to stop here. We're going to constantly add new features. Every month you're going to see something new being added into the system. In fact, every week we're pushing updates, and we're going to make sure this is the best tool creation and content discovery and content creation platform for you. We are working on audio as well. We're working on newsletters. We're working on a lot of different formats, because we want you to just use auto posting for all your content creation journey across everywhere, and will also help you distribute those contents. That's our vision for auto posting. Once again, thank you so much for signing up. You can reach out to us at any point of stage. Just hit us on this particular chat button at any given point. If you have feature suggestions, if you are facing any problem, if you need more features, anything that you want, let us know and we'll add it in our roadmap, because we are building this not just for ourselves but for you at the same time. So thank you so much once again for signing up for auto posting. We are absolutely delighted to serve you, and we cannot wait for you to grow your business and get more followers, get more impressions, get more views, and get more discovery for your businesses, services, and your account. And let's grow this together. Let's make it happen. We are going to be here to support your journey, and we hope you support our journey, and let's make it a win-win for everyone. So once again, thank you so much for watching this entire demo of auto posting. And until then, make sure you stay subscribed, because I'm going to constantly keep on posting new videos, so that you can grow your business using auto posting and save a lot of time and money. Thank you so much.